Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an effective face cream from your body cream. That is my body cream, Eucerin cream. I have there vitamin C oil. Here is aloe vera gel for facial and body cream. Here is my grapeseed oil. Then I'm going to add some drops of azelaic acid, and lastly vitamin E. This video is self-explanatory. The quantity of the oils you are going to add depends on the quantity of cream you are mixing or you are trying to create. So guys, these are my ingredients, and let's pop into this video. But like I will always say, please be mindful. You might be allergic, or maybe your skin is not suitable for any of these ingredients. Be mindful and always try to do a patch test so you will not get yourself or your skin hot. So guys, this is my bio oil. I'm using the gel bio oil. It's just an oil, but it's in a gel form. So guys, these are my empty jar in which I'm going to store my cream after mixture. The procedures are self-explanatory. Like I will always say, please do a patch test. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the rest of this video. For more details or the quantities and the measurement I use in mixing, you check the description box where you'll find it. So guys, I'm going to scoop out some great amount of my base cream, which is my body lotion, Eucerin cream. I'm taking 3 full spoons of it, and as you can see. Then after which I'm going to add my oils gradually. First I add my grapeseed oil. This plastic spoon is 5 ml once it's full, so I'm going to add 5 ml to it. Then the same thing, I'm going to add some good quantity of my bio oil gel to it. Then I will also keep on mixing gradually. This is my aloe vera gel. I'm going to add a good quantity of it. So this spoon, like I said, this once it is filled, it is 5 ml. So I'm going to leave the right quantity I use in the description box. So guys, after adding some of the ingredients, I went ahead and mixed so I can give it a good mix, just to give it a kind of double mix so that my mixture will be well distributed. Right now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a skin repairer vitamin, and I cannot do with it because I've seen its benefit on my skin. So guys, if you love this channel or you like what is happening to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please support your girl with your notification bell on so you will not be missing whenever I upload any new video. My name is Susan, and on this channel we deal with beauty at zero cost. You don't have to break the bank to buy a luxury face cream. You can create your own face cream at home, and your skin will pop, and your skin will glow, and your skin will be smooth. All you just have to do, get the right ingredient, the right combination, and the right quantity, and you start. And please, whenever you are trying a new product, always do a patch test and start with a very reduced percent of it, a very reduced quantity. Maybe you will like to increase the quantity later, but always start with a very little amount of a new product. Whenever you are trying to on your skin, always start with little quantity to see how your skin will react to it. If there be need, you want to increase the quantity because you want a fast or a more visible difference result, you can increase the quantity, but please start with a very reduced quantity for you not to hurt your skin. A skin hurt is a heartbroken to anybody. So guys, I will leave you with the rest with my background music as usual, And please let me know your thought or your opinion, or if you have any question, let me know on the comment section. I'll be waiting for you and ready to answer your question. Remember, on this channel we deal with beauty at zero cost. We use ingredients we have at home to look beauty. We slay, we maintain our skin, our hair, and once in a while some detox tip. Once in a while I have some detox video tips on my channel. So guys, stay blessed and be guided. This is my very first time of trying this AZELAIC acid, so I used 20 drops of it. 20, but if you wish, you must also use 10 drops of it. Just like I said, when you are trying a new product, start with a very reduced quantity. So I used 20 drops of AZELAIC acid because after I've read and made findings about it, I said, okay, let me give it a try. And if you watch my video, this is also the very first time I'm using vitamin C oil. I don't use vitamin C oil. I always stop at vitamin E because I'm not bleaching my skin, but I'm trying to make my skin glow beautiful without bleaching. So guys, stay blessed and be guided.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.